Hey there, it's Pete from GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And a lot of you have been asking me about a GCI t-shirt. Well, I got one. Got a cool American flag on the back. It's got all the different branches of military, law enforcement, first aid, EMS, and firemen. We support all of you. Y'all do an awesome job of keeping us safe day in and day out, and that first responder, helping people get to the hospital and jumping in burning buildings and stuff that I'm too scared to do. You guys fill in that gap, and we appreciate it. Boy, look at that right there. Holy cow. Man, you talking about goodness, black gold. Man alive, that right there is some kind of good. This is a Compost, and it's actually mixed 50-50 with golf course sand. You know that sand I'm talking about. You know, you've been on the tee box and hit your driver in the bunker. You have to go in there and you have to play out of that sand with super finely ground and very clean, perfect for leveling. Hey, don't even go there. I know dang well you've been in a bunker before. If you play golf, you've been in a bunker, right? So we got sand and compost, 50-50 mix. Now, why did I choose that mixture? Very simple. The compost is super finely ground. The sand is super finely ground. Well, anytime you can get your material really finely ground, that makes it much easier for your final grade. Okay, think about grading some clay with a bunch of big chunks of clods and that kind of thing all in there. It'd be hard to get it butter smooth like a baby's butt. Well, by putting a ½ inch or so of this mixture on top, I'm able to do that. I'm able to get it perfectly flat and smooth for real mowing. Now, if I were going to mow this with a rotary type mower and was never going to reel mow it, I wouldn't even consider putting this down. I just use the dirt that's already here. It's plenty good enough. But since this is going to be a 99.9% of the time real mowed Bermuda yard, I just wanted to go all out, and that's why I got the compost and sand mix. Now, why not all sand? Well, sand doesn't really have any nutrient value to it. It's simply good for drainage because water will flow through it really easily, and good for the leveling purpose. By adding the compost, I'm adding some nutrient value to my ground. Get your dirt right? So this is kind of an overkill project. This is that project if somebody wants to just go above and beyond and do every single step as good as you can possibly do it. This is kind of what I'm doing here. I'm only gonna sow this yard in Bermuda one time, so why not do it right? So all the white stakes you see there where irrigation heads are, you can see I got one right here, and they're all over the place. I've got irrigation videos to show you where I put all this in. Now, how come the heads aren't already set where they should be? Well, I'm gonna do my grading, laser grade it, final finished grade, and then I already know I'm gonna put the heads in it. That's a rainbird. I'm gonna switch it out to the hunter, and that way I can get my head perfectly level with the final grade. So I'm gonna take my ABI Force, and it's a box blade up under the belly of it. That's the absolute best way of grading. Why do you think they make motor graders, right? It has the blade up under the belly so that the back tires can stay on the cut surface and stay on the flat level surface. The front tires will undulate with the unevenness, and then the box blade, as it's going in the middle, is cutting everything down, filling in the low spots and cutting the high spots, right? So I'm gonna get with it. This ought to be really cool, really fun. I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting a long time to get this done. Life gets in the way. I take my kid to Philly for surgery, virus, shop renovation, running a company, running an online business, wife, kids, church. All kind of things have just really made me go at a snail's pace on this. Even though it looks like I'm working super hard, when I do get the chance to work out here, I'm busting my tail on it. So hey, just a quick heads up, we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. I think that's so freaking cool. telling you it's so cool. Thank you very much. And the way we'll kind of celebrate that is I'm gonna have a giveaway. You gotta be subscribed to the channel, be on my email list, check the description below for the details on that, how to get in there. Let's see what we'll give away. Let's give away a full lawn care program for an entire year for a 10,000 square foot yard. That'll be the sprayer, the biostimulants, the fertilizer of your choice. Whoever wins, you'll get to pick between the Green County Hybrix and Carbon X. And I'll see what I can't figure out. And grass seed, if you're a cool season, it'll be grass seed. If you're warm season and you want some grass seed, it'll be that too. So I'll kind of customize it toward the winner, whoever wins. But at the end of the day, it's going to be enough lawn care products for 10,000 square foot yard. So, hey, for a year. So if you have a 5,000 square foot yard, you'll get 2 years worth of stuff. If you have a 1,000 square foot yard, it'll be 10 years worth of stuff. So that's just a way of us saying thank you to those of you who are supporting me faithfully, and I appreciate that. It's super cool. Thank you. And then I'm actually going to pump some water to it and just check out the grade, make sure it's good, make sure there's no low spots, and if it is, I'll fix them up. And once all that's done, I can put the doggone grass seed down. I can sit back and grab a sun drop or a glass of sweet tea and take a chill pill. So hey, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this, and I'll check you later.